Hi. So today's topic is what is the learning from the documentary The Secret. The secret is simply the law of attraction. Essentially, the law of attraction states that whatever consumes your thoughts is what you will eventually get in life. So, if you think of all the things you don't want in your life, you will only get the things you don't want. By contrast, if you only envision the things you want in your life, then you will get everything you want in life. The idea is that if you are constantly thinking positive thoughts about yourself, you will begin to notice little things in your experiences that confirm this belief and thus helping them come true. On the other hand, if you are constantly thinking negative feelings about yourself, the negative feedback in your environment will stand out to you, thus making you feel worse. As human beings, we have a limited amount of attention for all stuff going on around us. Therefore, whether we realize it or not, usually not, we are always choosing what we pay attention to. For example, you spend years not really paying attention to what kind of car people drive, but then the time comes for you to start thinking about buying a car, and suddenly you notice the make and model of cars all over the place. You start making decision about which styles you like and what features you are care about. You start noticing these details because for the first time they are salient and relevant to your thoughts and desires, whereas before they were not. Exploring the idea that positivity can only ultimately result in more positivity. Opening your mind up to the positivity that enabling you to have greater faith and belief in yourself and what you are capable of. Fill yourself with thoughts of positivity. Eat, sleep, dream successful thoughts. Cram them into your mind until you are oozing success from every pore. When you can envision what you want the most in your mind's eye and never doubt your capabilities for a single moment, achievement can be yours. This can all play an important part in helping to transform your dream into beautiful reality. However, there is so much more that can be learned to help you truly understand and unlock the capacity within you to achieve your personal goals. You are the only one with the control to create the life for yourself that you deserve. Pour positive energy into every thought and every action that you take, and you can find that joy, be it in your career, your wealth, your love life, or your business. Your life is in your hands. No matter where you are now, no matter what happened in your life, you can begin to consciously choose your thoughts and can change your life. There is no such thing as hopeless situations. Every single circumstances of your life can change. Inner happiness is actually the fuel of success. Be happy now and feel good now. You deserve to be happy. Your life has a purpose. No one can dance your dance, sing your song, write your story. Who you are, what you do begins right now. To utilize the law of attraction for your benefit, you must raise your level of consciousness and implement a smart plan of action. You need a solid plan with the right strategy, tactics, timeline, and resources to succeed. Yes, this takes hard work and stretches beyond your daydreams and creative visualization practice. By taking daily action towards your dreams, you are not only reaching closer to your goals, but you are also generating the positive energy needed for the universe to align the right thing for you in the right order at just the right time. Upgrading your skill set and building an action plan are crucial ingredients for the success formula. Law of attraction works in your benefit when you start living with certainty and confidence that you can achieve what your heart truly desires. Thank you.